Why enable two-factor authentication?
Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your budgeting app. With 2FA enabled, even if someone gets your password, they still need a second code to log in. This helps protect your sensitive financial data from unauthorized access and reduces the risk of identity theft or fraud.
Preparing to set up 2FA.
Before you start, make sure you have your smartphone available. Many budgeting apps send verification codes via text message, email, or an authentication app. Choose a method you can easily access. Also, check your app's settings or support resources to confirm 2FA is supported and see which authentication methods are available.
Finding security settings in your app.
Log into your budgeting app and navigate to the settings menu, usually represented by a gear or profile icon. Look for sections labeled Security or Account Settings. In most apps, you'll find the two-factor authentication option within these menus. Tap or click on it to begin the setup process.
Enabling two-factor authentication.
Make sure your preferred method for receiving verification codes. Most apps offer text messages, emails, or authenticator apps. Follow the prompts. This may include entering a code sent to your device or scanning a QR code with your authenticator app. Complete the steps until you see a confirmation that 2FA is active.
Final steps and backup options.
After setup, the app may offer backup codes or alternative recovery methods. Save these in a secure place in case you lose access to your main authentication method. Log out and try signing in again to test your new security features. Congratulations, your budgeting app is now better protected with two-factor authentication.